You gonna put a seatbelt on first?
They're just lap belts too.
Is that legal or it is?
Yeah, it is. Ours just has lap belts too.
The 66 has lap. The other one's got the two separate.
Yeah, two separate belts. Our 66 has. It's a convertible, so it feels funny even.
Oh, it's not going to start. Somebody's going to have to give us a ride.
Uh-oh.
You know, good.
Oh.
You know a good mechanic?
Okay, we need a ride to the reception.
Who bump started?
I'm glad there's some people still here.
That's Tom said he was staying behind to help, just in case.
Is that why you stayed behind?
Is it going to start, Tom, or?
I don't know. It might be flooded.
Might want to wait.
Jumpers wouldn't help though, would it?
No, the battery's fine on it.
Oh, he's got it.
No,
Oh.
no, you'd hear it.
Do you not put your foot right to the floor to kind of feel?
Oh, he doesn't want to.
Carbureted.
Either.
Huh?
You don't
Is
want
it
to
carbureted?
catch fire.
The started fine.